What's the meaning of bubblejet printer? Bubblejet printer. Bubblejet printer.
Bubblejet printer. Bubblejet printer. A bubblejet printer is a type of inkjet printer that uses tiny heating elements to heat ink and create bubbles that then burst onto paper, creating the printed image. The result is generally high-quality printing, with sharp, vibrant colors and crisp lines and text. Bubblejet printers are popular for both personal and professional use, due to their efficiency and relatively low cost. They are often used for printing documents, photographs, and graphics, and are compatible with a wide range of papers and other printing materials. Overall, bubblejet printers offer a reliable, convenient, and effective way to produce high-quality printed materials.